All right, and here we go. We are live. Okay, so if you followed me in the last stream, we completed the Nando Tetris course. So from this stream onwards, we'll be starting with new projects, and one of those projects will be a web app. So the plan for this stream is to set up the Vim environment for web development. I don't know, maybe we'll start doing some web development stuff. Maybe start with learning Django, like just messing around with it today only. We'll see. Alright, so let's start. Alright. Okay, so this one, COC. Node.js extension for host for Vim. Okay, this extension is for NVim, but will it work on Vim? Okay, but I don't know what exactly it does. It's a code completion. Okay, so by default, Vim provides a code completion. I guess, let's see. I don't know. Let equal to green. Yeah. So if I write hat, what the hell? No, it doesn't provide code completion by default. Maybe I change the shortcut key. But let's try to use conquer completion. So it seems good enough. How do I install it? For Vim plug users. Okay, I already have Node.js installed, but I don't know which version. So let me find it out. JS version. Okay, 10.19, and it requires a version greater than 10.5. So this will work just fine. According to this, for Vim plug users, so I do use Vim plug. I can just do this. Yeah, let's try to do that. I need to open up Vim RC. Okay, where the fuck is it? Vim RC. Oh man, this fuzzy finder is shitty. I can't even find the hidden files starting with dot. That's crazy. Okay, maybe I can use e dot vim r rc. Alright, so to install this COC, I need to do this. Let's copy it and paste it below this. Plug install. Okay, it is installing COC now. Let's run. Okay, it says here you have to install COC extension or configure language servers for LSP. Okay, I don't get it. Do I have to? So I will be usually working with Python and some JavaScript. So does it provide code completion for Django as well? TS, so that is TypeScript, right? Beam for Python Django. Yeah, this looks like a good article. What the hell is up with my internet? It's so much blue. Yeah. Yeah, I already have been very basic config. Syntax, what's that? Yeah, I don't need this file type detection. But what's up with this? Let me open up Vmaster. I think I might have some things already here. So set tab stop is already here. Set expand tab, yeah. Shift weight is equal to 4. Soft tab stop is equal to 4. What's that? Python compatible. Yeah, it's a command. But what is up with this fold method is equal to indent? What does it do? Yeah, I think I can just find it using help, right? Fold method. Fold method. What does it do? The kind of folding used for the current window. So by default, it will be manual. So folds are created manually. Lines with equal indent form a fold. So yeah, as we are going to work with Python, fold method will be indent. This looks like a good setup. I should do it with this Python compatible folding. Yeah. So let's use it then. What? I should start to learn how to work with Vim Windows. I don't really know how to use Vim Windows yet. Okay, so let's copy this. I already have this set number, so we don't need to do it. Yeah, I need to copy this as well. File type on, and let us write it somewhere. So file type on, file type plugin indent on. Okay, what else? I don't need this semicolons, right? So this result of that config. Can I source it like this? Source percentage. Did it work? Yeah, I think it worked. The wonder of Vim is that wow, this looks horrible. What's up with this white color? What the hell? It looks like a very old UI. Let's. What happened? One of the links took me to Web Archive. This one. Let's check this one out. Django plus Vim. What the hell is this? Omni completion. Fuck no. I'm not gonna install another plugin. Oh wait, I can use COC. COC might have Django auto completion, right? It must have. Let's check COC. Nothing is mentioned here. Completion with sources. What's that? Language servers. Oh yeah, this is nice, but it shows only the languages. What about the frameworks? Python. If you are using, consider Pyrite. What's that? Does it provide auto completion for Django? Do I need to install a language server? Use one of the below. If you're using Python 3, use this. Consider if you're using Jedi. What's Jedi? Okay, let's just use Pyrite. How can I install it? COC install Pyrite. Right. COC. What the hell? Install COC file. Is it correct? Okay. Good enough. Okay, it installed, but how do I Oh, okay. What was that? Linux Win cheat sheet. How do I work with Vim Windows? I don't really use Vim Windows that much. I use Tmux, so not Windows, not tabs. I want Windows. Okay, Control W and create a window. Control W Q. Yes. And how do I know that? Let me open up a test file, test.py. What the hell is up with Pyrite? So I need to upgrade my Node.js then. It's crazy. Wait, I think I'm using NVM, so I can just do it easily. Right? Am I using NVM? Yeah, I am. Oops. Okay, upgrade node using NVM. I hope I don't mess up VMRC. NVM. Does this work anymore? And what? I have installed 3 node version. Why do I need 3 versions? And the 14 version 14 is already what? Then it's node version. I'm using 14 version, so why was it giving me another? Let's open up test.py. Okay, it seems to be working just fine. Oh, what is up with this? What happened to... Why am I getting these errors? Is it because of the plugin? Pyrite? Okay, Pyrite seems to be working just fine. So, guess I don't need to test. What the fuck, I don't need. Good enough. Expected indented block. But I don't really like this whitish. So I think it is probably messing up the colors. I don't know. Okay, now that I have installed COC properly, what else do I need to do? What other plugins should I install? Hey Datadev, welcome to the stream. Welcome to the new stream, new series. COC bin for Django. It rained so heavily today. You know? Yesterday also. So today I'm trying to set up my Vim for the web development. Django support any core module that's imported doesn't detect the Django concept. What is this? What is this? Man, the Vim configuration sucks. I don't really know what I'm doing. Setting up. I don't really know what I'm doing. Extension. What is Jedi? Jedi is a module. What's that? What is Jedi? You know what? Fuck auto completion. It will just work fine. Maybe we'll try to find a solution if we, you know, come across a problem. For now, it's good enough. What's this? Django advice. Let's check out this blog. I also want, you know, the window to navigate the project files, because for Django I'll be working with multiple files and I don't want to just, you know, shuffle between or hop between the tabs. I want a clean visual look. Vagrant. I used to develop. What is vagrant? Hmm. Yeah, editing with Vim. I use Vim to edit everything. Vim for Django. File type mappings. Most files in Django project have one of two extensions, .py and .html. Unfortunately, this extension are not unique to Django. Wait, but then even the regular py files will be mapped to Django, isn't it? What is it? This one to no and no remap PD. What's PD? Plumbing construction. What happened? Leakage? Bit busy. Yeah, alright, it's okay. It's alright, man. Totally alright. I also have a few auto commands that set the file type when I'm editing a file. So it probably overflowed, I guess. It's alright, it's totally alright now. Python sanity checking. Wait, what's this? I think I already did this, right? Yeah, I think I did it. Dot then see. Oh, come on. TS is for tab stop, I guess, and soft tab stop and shift with 4x tab. Okay, so I already set it. Wait, do I need to add this as well? Auto command file type. You complete me. No, but I'm not using. I'm already using CUC, right? So maybe it will provide me with all functionalities that you complete me provides. Or should I switch to you complete me? I don't know. Oh, there are a lot of things that I can do. Holy shit, I don't even know what half of that means. Not half, almost 90% of things. Alright. It's fucking alright. It takes a lot of work to turn them into ID. Syntastic is a web plugin that adds on-the-fly syntax checking. If you have PyFlex installed, it will automatically show you errors in it. Let's add some of it. What do I like? What do I need? This one looks nice enough. Syntastic and PyFlex. Wait, is it already installed? No, it's not. What's the difference between this Syntastic and PyFlex? I don't know. The PyFlex was mentioned here somewhere. Yeah, it's pre-deprecated and it will be replaced by Syntastic. Okay, I think we should install this Syntastic, right? Wait, but do I need Syntastic if I already installed the Pyrite? I think I'm trying to install different plugins for the same purpose. I don't know. Oh, this looks horrible. See, all these things are being done by Pyrite already, right? I don't know. I don't know. Maybe I will have plugin conflicts after I install this. Should I install it? Should I install it or not? It will cause some plugin conflicts. Fuck it. Let me just bookmark it for later. Let's bookmark this as well as this one. And let's switch to the fuzzy finder. Okay, do I need to install nerd tree? I don't really like this fuzzy finders that I'm using right now. FZF. Wait, what if I can I have a window for FCF? I think we can. Let's see. Fuzzy finder. I want a tree-like structure, just like we have in VS Code. What's that? Buffer mode, file mode, directory mode. Okay. FCF versus node 3. What's the difference between these two? Node 3 FCF hydrate. Net RW. Okay, do I need to watch this video? What the hell? Why would you create a blog if you created a video? Let's check different blog. I used to actually be Node3 user, and if I remember correctly, was it the time that I did? Where's the article? Oh, this is a comment, not an article. Come on. Okay, I do know about range. Ranger seems good as well. I think I already have the commands here for the ranger as well. No, I deleted it. Nope, I'm not using fish shell. Should I switch to new? No. Damn, it is a rabbit hole. What does it do? It hasn't even provided a GIF or something. Add ranger like key binding to nursery. Hmm. Yeah, I only need the movement. It's good enough for me. What does this post say? The problem is browsing files for me. I can't use FZF notary and NNBeam. This is not good enough. What does this post say about it? Only mute lighthouse. Win for Bangalore. Vim setup forward development Python, yeah, good enough. What I'm looking for is kind of a file manager. I already have a plugin manager. Yeah, I'm using plug. Oh, this is good. No, it's not. It is just a window. File management, yeah, that's what I was looking for. One essential part of an IDE is file management. Sidebar that shows the project file, and to complement that, it would be nice to have some kind of fuzzy file opener. Yeah. Oh, people do use Node-RED with FZF, so both are complementary, it seems. Okay, I already have FZF installed. FZF and FZF Vim. Yeah, let's install Node-RED. What the hell? Let us copy this. Nice. And we should also copy this. What does it do? Use Control K to open up a sidebar. And this one will open up the fuzzy. Okay, I already have Control P mapped for FZF. Yeah. Right. Wait, they are mapping Control P to files. Okay, files opens up the fuzzy finder itself. So files and FZF is same. So this is good enough. Let's copy this. Nice. But why is it? Okay, good. plug install. Isn't installing now it quick? I don't know. Is it done with Node-RED? Is it done? Wait, it's still installing it. What the hell? It's taking a lot of time. Did it install? I think it's done. Right? I think it is done. Can't open file plugins. Okay, let's close this. Huh. Maybe it is still installing it. I don't know. Okay, it is done, it seems now. Oh, of course. But let's see, control key works or not. Oh yeah, it does. But it is so much slower, man. It takes like 2 milliseconds. Okay, I need to press control K twice. Oh, we are mapping control K, control K. So I need to press it twice. But this is good enough. This is good enough. This is what I want. Let's try to open something, shall we? To refresh. Let's go inside VM code translator. Nice. That is nice. Okay, how do I? Oh yeah. Nice. It will make web development easier. I like it. I like it. I like it. Oh, this is great. Wait, what's that? Now the most interesting part, code compilation and intelligence. The project Conquer of Compilation. It's a very big Vim plugin that brings language server protocol. If you are not familiar with LSP, then let me explain the development. Yeah, I already have Node.js, and I also installed COC. Okay, how do I select? How do I, when I type this, how do I select one of the option directly? Can I just press Control F? No. F, Shift F, no. How do I directly select one of the option from the completion menu? Can I even do that? It would be cool if I could do that. This much is good enough for now. This much is good enough. Wait, it should give an error for this as well, print, because I'm not using it properly. Why it does not give us any error? Should I use Syntastic? Where is Syntastic? Syntastic, it was somewhere. Yeah, it's it. Okay, this is good enough. Alright, I'm satisfied with the configuration that I have already right now. I should get started with web development, I guess, now. Right? This configuration is good enough, and I like this plugin nursery. It will be helpful when we are creating a project, a web project. Nice, nice. Alright, then let's close all of these windows and let's get started with something else. I should probably change the stream title as well. Alright, so what is the plan today? Web apps, web apps. Oof. You know what? Let's not start creating the web app. Let's just play around with Django for today. And we'll start with the web app that I'm going to build from tomorrow mostly. Let's open up simple Django. Let's just open up Django documentation page. And let me change the title first of all. The stream. Learning Django. Django. I hope I'm not pronouncing it incorrectly. It's pronounced as Django, right? Yes. Okay, change the title in the Twitch, but it didn't change the title in YouTube. Let me edit the YouTube's title as well. Can I not edit it? What the heck? Alright, so I changed the title of YouTube stream as well. Let's try to create a simple, web server using Django. Documentation, installation, overview and installation. Okay, how do I install it? Install Django. Okay, should I install it in a virtual environment? Yeah, let's create a virtual environment, shall we? Django Form. Django. can I create a virtual environment? Python does and VNV. I think this is the correct syntax. Yeah. Okay, we have a virtual environment. And after that, which wait, good. No, it's still. Oh, I need to activate the virtual environment. VNV. Then activate. Is it activated? Yeah, it is. It is activated now. Web 3. Okay, let's install Django now. Web 3 install Django. I hope it is installed in the virtual environment. Or should I do this? Yeah, I think it installed Django somewhere else. Right? Let's see. We port Django. I think it installed it globally. I'm sure it installed it globally. Let me try to deactivate. First deactivate. It will work. Let's try to import Django. Okay. So that means it was installed in the environment itself. Let's see. And now let's activate it again. I should probably have some indication here that this environment has been activated, like which environment we are working on, right? Okay, it's all right. So now that we have Django installed, let's get started. Let's create a simple web server. Okay, but how do I create a Django project? How the fuck do I create it? It comes with an object relational method ORM. Django.tp models. Full name models care first. This is how we create a model in Django. Install, make migration. Hmm. All right, what's up with this? Give me a second, guys. I got a call. Okay, I'm back. I am back. Sorry for the interruption. Right now, so where was I? Migration, okay, model, URL, views. But how do I create the Django project? Is there a tutorial or something? Read the tutorial. Yeah, let's read the tutorial. Python Django version. Yeah, I already have it. By the way, which Python version it is using by default? 3. Okay, good enough. And what about pip version? Good, it is using pip 3 by default. I don't even have pip 2. Good. Install, you should see the version. Creating a project. Okay, I can create a project using Django admin start project my site. Okay, I don't want to create a new directory. What if I want to create a directory in this project, in this directory itself? Can I just do Django admin start project and this? No. Okay, then maybe I should just do this Django fun. What? What? Come on. Come on, man. Come on. Wait up, but see, what I want is can I use a virtual environment? How to use VNV in Django project? Yeah, this one seems good enough. Okay, CD, set up the environment. Yeah, I already did it. And I activated it as well. Pip install Django. Name of your project. Oh, okay. And- Hmm. Maybe I can't provide. Can I provide an underscore? That worked. What happened? It created a manage.py in web apps. Shit ass. I fucked it up. What is inside Django form? Okay, I get it. So let's cd inside Django form, and now let's create this project here. Shall we? Seems good enough. Okay, writing a first Django. Change into the directory my site. Which my site? We have two my sites. Right. Should I go inside Django form? Yeah, because manage.py is here. Right, so let's try to run it. Shall we? Python manage. Okay, manage.py run server. Oh, it started. Let's open up this. Oh, come on. Yay, we got our first project running. So it is working just fine. You know what? We should have a window that we can. Okay, what else should we do now? Let's have a split window here for running this project server. So great. How can I make it small? Debug cheat sheet. Resize current band height. Control B. Wait, Control B is the prefix key, right? I already changed it, so what should I do then? Doesn't seem to be working. How can I resize it? Yeah, I need to hold Control B and this. No, it doesn't work. Oh yeah, it works. It works now. Yeah, this much is good. And now let's go inside cd into web apps, code stuff, web apps, and Django. So let's run the server again. Python manage.py, run the server, please. Oh, whoa, whoa. Okay, so I think the virtual environment is not working. Which Python? Do I need to activate it? Okay. I think it will work now. Let's start the server. Good. So server has been started. Let's check if it is working. Yeah, it is working just fine. Okay, now that we have a server running, what else should we do? What are we doing today? I'm messing around with Django framework. I'm just trying to learn Django. So it's kind of a chill stream. So I was able to install Django and create a working server. See, and I also did some configuration for web development in Vim. I installed this plugin to have this kind of file explorer. That's what we are doing today. Can you build a sign up form? Yeah, we can build a sign up form. We can build a sign up form in Python. In fact, Django provides those kind of functionality out of the box, so it will be great to learn Django. I guess it provides a lot of things out of the box. It is kind of opinionated. I have not worked before with any other opinionated framework, so this is new for me as well. Okay, what now? We were able to create so let's try to create a view. Let's try to create a view where we can how can I create a view? Polls app. Let's try to create this app. Start. So I said to start doing work. Oh, I need to create a polls app like this. And that will create a directory polls which is laid like this. All right. Let's create a Python manage python manage.py start app polls. Did it work? I think it did. We don't have the directory polls. Now why is that? What happened? It did not create this app. Make sure you have the same directory as manage.py. Yeah, I was in the same directory. Polls conflicts with the name of an existing Python module and cannot be used as an app name. Okay. Hey, Detectsman, go. I read Top Knife? No, I have not read Top Knife. What's that? Polls conflicts. No. Not read this kind of things. Traumatic surgery. I'm not into surgery and stuff. Know that your environment, a project is set up, you're set to start doing work. Wait, how can they create the polls app and why can't I create a polls app? Oh, it is good. You are learning a lot of different things, aren't you? Surgery. You are really learning a lot of different things. Each application you write in Django consists of a Python package that follows a certain convention. What the fuck? So this guy say that I should create an app named polls, but it seems that I can't create because apparently it is conflicting with Python module. Okay, let me try a different name. Let's call it just poll. Does it work? Oh, it worked. But where is our app? Where is our polls app now? We should have a polls app here somewhere, isn't it? What the fuck is our app? Oh, we do have. Shit, the node tree plugin is not working properly. Or maybe it is because let me close everything and restart it. Oh, okay, it created two apps, poll and polls. Fuck. Then why was it not showing up a bit earlier? You know what? Yeah, sure. Node-tree is not working as it should. Isn't better. So how do I now delete this another app that created? Is there a command for that? Python manage py start app. Can I delete an app? Manage file delete, no, remove still no. Or should I just delete this folder? I don't know. How do I delete a Django app using manage.py? Remove all imports and usage. Yeah, I'm not even importing it anyway. I can just delete the directory. Huh. Wait, but do I need to remove all imports? I did not import it anywhere. And models. Okay, let's just remove that, you know. That's cool. Okay, done. So we have polls app now. Now what should we do? Let's get back to the tutorial. It will create a directory polls. It did. This directory structure will house the poll application right to our first view. Open the file polls views.py. This one. From Django shortcuts. From what? From Django HTTP. Django.http. Wait, how can I select? Let me read the COC. Then how can I select something from the menu? Is that a tutorial or something? Using the configuration. Maybe I should just copy this configuration stuff. Maybe something is there somewhere. I don't know. Configuration is required to make COC easier to work with. Now let me just copy this quickly. Wait, this is an example Win configuration. Can I copy it? Should I copy it? That is the question. It might mess up my already existing configuration, I guess. Yeah, what the hell? Let me just copy it. Right? Am I live again? Just give me a heads up if anyone is watching. I think I should be live now. All right, we are back in the business again. So how do I turn off paste in set no paste? Okay, set no, not Arabic, no paste. Okay, good enough. How do I select a menu from this directly? Is there a shortcut? Where is text rate update time auto select? Call Control F, Control B. Okay, it is confusing. Oh, fuck. Okay, let's get back to this project. HTTP import HTTP response. Okay. Import HTTP response. And after that, we need to create a method. Define method is index. Okay, let's do that. Index request return HTTP response my first Django project. Okay, why is it giving us this to? Okay, it's not an error, hopefully. This is the simplest view possible in Django. To call the view, we need to map it to URL. Okay, and for this we need a URL config. To create a URL config in the post directory, create a file called urls.py. Okay, let's create a url.py. URL or URLs? It should be urls.py. It should update here as well. This is not right. Do we have this file now or not? Maybe I created this file in a different directory. Yeah, I think I created it here. This is the one which is open, right? No, it's a different one. How can I create a new file in this directory? And if I do this, holes and URL dot file. Yeah, fuck no, this is not I wanted. Oh, it created. No, it's a different one. Sorry guys, I'm getting used to using Vim for web development. URLs.py. Okay. Now we should have urls.py here. Why isn't it? This is crazy. Yeah, we got it here. But the node tree is not showing it. I am already started to hate this node tree. Node tree. Maybe I should. I don't know. I think I need to add some configuration. Am I using this? No, I'm using a different node tree. Screw loose. What's up with different versions of node tree? Ping pong. Yeah, it was working. I mean, it's not an optimized one, so maybe I will be optimizing it in another string, but it is working just fine for now. It was like in comma. Yeah, it is still like that in comma. It's still in comma. I will make it to work because it needs some algorithmic optimization. I mean, of course, the instructors know how to optimize, so I need to do some optimization, then it will work just fine. It is slow like my mind. Okay, number 3. Sponsor a person on YT. Oh, nice. Sponsor as in how? How does it work? Sponsor? Sponsors on a YT. Which nurture plugin I'm using? So this is the official version, it seems. I don't know which one I installed. I installed this one, Screw Loose Nurture. What the hell? How to add money in Twitch? You just need to connect your account, bank account, or maybe your card. It won't be that difficult. I mean, I have not tried it, but I don't think it will be that much difficult. Okay. What was I looking for? Let's go inside Vim. Do we even have a Vim directory? Yeah, we do have. CD plug credit card. No, I mean, even if they say you need a credit card, the debit cards would work. But yeah, all the debit cards won't work. You need to have a Visa or MasterCard debit card, The Rupee debit cards won't work probably. But I don't know. Maybe. I mean, if you have all the new debit cards work as well, even if they say they need a credit card. Okay, so it installed the correct plugin. Fine, good enough for me. But what was I looking for? Yeah, how to update this node tree with the newest file. Currently, it's not updating when I create a new file, which is not good. Saves and restores the state of the node tree between systems. No, even if you don't have any single penny in your account, they will still accept your card. They are hungry for information and data. So they're hungry for data. How do I open node tree automatically when Vim starts? No, that's not what I want to do. I want to update this node. Okay, I can press question mark for help. Open in preview, open in preview. Refresh current root tree. Why do I need to refresh it manually? It should refresh by itself, no? Maybe there is a configuration or something that I can add so that it refreshes itself automatically. Let me search how to refresh node tree automatically. I need to press shift control shift on. How to refresh in node tree. Reload new files, auto refresh. Yeah, it seems many people are looking for the same shit. How do I refresh it automatically? Oh, I can press M. Nice, this is nice. Good enough for me. But still it is not mentioned here. Show menu. Okay. M shows the menu. Then A to add a new file. Oh, great. Test test.txt. Nice. How can I go back? How can I quit this? How can I quit the menu? Okay, quit. Yay, nice. So net ray is not that much bad. It is good. It is good. It is good, guys. So now, where was I? Let me. You know what? I want to change the. Yeah, let's leave it like that for now. Damn, we have a lot of things open. COVID website vaccine registering. How can they do that? Banning your website. I mean, they have provided the API, isn't it? Why the heck should they ban it? So, how many requests did you do to the API? Did you make a request like, you know, I don't know, continuously make request? Maybe that is the reason why they banned you. Okay, I created views, writing your first view. Okay, let's open up URLs. What should we do in URLs now? From Django.urls, import path. From Django.urls. From dot import views. Yeah, I know it is incorrect. And I need to create a list with path. This will be the default path, isn't it? Index path, I mean views.index, name index. Oh, okay. URL patterns equal to path, default path, views dot index, and name is going to be index, right? Now what? Next step is to point. What? I'll be back in a second. I gotta pee, guys. I gotta pee. The next step is to point the root URL config. Import for Django.urls include and insert and include. Okay, let's do that. We need to open up URLs. We need to import include. What good is autocomplete if I can't select it from menu, right? Path should be polls. If the path is poll, include polls dot URL. Right. The include function allows refreshing other URL configs whenever Django encounters included chops of whatever part of the URL. Chops of whatever part of the URL. Oh, and sends the remaining string to the included. Oh, yeah, I got it. Got it. Okay, so now we should have a polls URL. Let's try it out. Where is the server? Polls. Yeah, we got it. My first Django project. Right? That's what we wrote in the view. Yeah, my first Django project. And now the path function is passed 4 arguments, 2 required, route and view, and 2 optional. Where is the path? Okay, this one. Route and view. So this is the route. This is the which path are they talking about? URLs. Hmm. Route and views and name. So this one is name. We also have keyword arguments. Keyword arguments, right? It's called keyword arguments. Path argument route. Route is a string that contains a URL pattern. When processing a request, Django starts at the first pattern in URL patterns, make its way down the list. Comparing the requested URL against each pattern until it finds one that matches. It calls the view with HTTP request as object. So let's go inside views. HTTP request as the first object. Right? Arbitrary keyword arguments can be passed in a dictionary to the target. We aren't going to use this feature. I can think of the use cases for this. And name. Name is good enough. Writing your first Django part 2 database setup. Yeah, let's do that. Now see, I want to learn as Postgres SQL. So, oh, we can use Postgres SQL as well. Now open up my site. The tutorial will where we left off. We'll set up the database, create the first model, and get a quick introduction to the Django is automatically generated. I should make the font bigger. Okay, good enough. Now open up my site settings. Okay. My site settings thing in this. Alright, what about it? It's a normal Python module with module level variables representing Django settings. By default, the configuration uses SQLite. If you're new to databases or you're just interested in trying Django, this is the easiest choice. If you wish to use another database, install the appropriate database by name and following keys in the databases. Okay, I need to change the engine. Okay, what is the default engine? Or pattern not found. Secret key. It's not so secret anymore. Yeah, it's a engine. So SQLite is selected by default. And what's that? Base directory. if you wish to use another database, so for this tutorial I'm just going to roll with SQLite, but for the project that I'm going to build, I will be using PostgreSQL. So I will have to change the engine. For databases other than SQLite, if you are using a database besides SQLite, make sure you have created a database by this point. Set time zone to your time zone. Okay, what is the time zone right now? UTC. I don't even know what is my time. It should be, it is ITC, right? This is my time zone. Indian Standard Time, IST. It should be IST. So what should I do? Should I change this time zone to IST? This is my time zone. Asia, Calcutta. Whatever. Alright, so where was I? Also note the install app settings that holds the name of all Django applications that are activated. Wait, okay. Should I install, should I place the name of this polls app in the installer? Country admin. Are these apps like, is this an app? I didn't get it. I didn't get it. integrative models. Oh, we will add it later on. Great. Okay, but for now, what should I do? Python manage.py migrate. Okay, let's do that. Python manage.py. Okay. Now what? If you are interested, run the command line client for your database and type dt. For SQLite.schema. Okay, so I need to open up SQLite. Is it this one? I think that is the one. So let's open it up. cd inside Django. It's by the way, am I running the environment or not? Nope. So I need to activate it. And delete or not leap bin, right? Permission to chp plus. I don't know. Wait. How can I exit this? How can I exit from this? Wait. Control C, Control Q. SQLite. Documentation. Oh, there must be a dot command to quit. Exit. Yeah, but so I want to check the database that was installed using migration. How can I do that? I mean, I tried dot schema, it did not work. Right? Dots. What? There's no other completion. See, there's nothing. What the hell? Yeah, wait up, wait up. Let's check migration. What is inside migration? Nothing. No, there's nothing here. Hmm. Oh wait, I need to create a table first, isn't it? No, it creates it. Okay. Okay, what if I need to use SQLite like this? DB. And now. Oh, great, it worked. It worked. It worked. Let's not quit it. Okay, yeah. Why? Why? Because I have access to the database. Stop. Are you following what I'm doing, by the way? Because all of this is just beginner stuff, you know. So it will be very much easier to follow. I'm just following the tutorial. Like I'm just getting myself acclimated. No power cut. That sucks, man. That sucks. Bad luck. Then do the stream now. you know. Oh wait, it's 5 o'clock. I didn't realize that it's almost 5 o'clock. I was like, it is still noon. What the fuck? I didn't realize. Like we said about the default application are included for the comments. Don't need any or all of them. Feel free to comment out or delete the appropriate lines from installers. Okay, that's fine. Now we'll define our models. Essentially, your database layer. Keep in mind. Ah, yeah. I forgot. I also need to get the plumbing stuff done in my house as well. There was a leakage, so I'm waiting for the plumbers as well. I probably won't be able to stream as well when they come, and they will come. Now we'll define your models, essentially layout with additional metadata. In our polls app, we'll create two models, question and choice. A question has a question and a publication date. A choice has two fields, the text of the choice and a vote tally. Each choice is, what the hell is this? So let's open up models.py. In models.py, what I should do is first, models are already imported. I need to create two classes for models which inherit models.model. So let's create the first class, shall we? Class question. It will inherit models. Wait, how can I use this autocomplete without clicking on arrow keys? Is there another shortcut? Models, I will figure it out later. Model question text. Oh, so the not the variables. The fields will be in the form of variables. This is very unlike JavaScript. In JavaScript, we have like a dictionary. Is it? Yeah, it is a dictionary or a JSON format. I think JavaScript follows the JSON. I forgot. This is very much different. Question text is equal to models dot character fill and publication date. Question text is equal to models dot character fill. Wait, where is max length? There is no max length. But in the is equal to 200. Okay. Second field will be publication date, right? For that we have models dot date time field, date published. Right, so we are done with question model. Now let's create answer or choice model. It also inherits models dot model portion is equal to, oh, so quotient, this is a foreign key and the foreign key is this one, quotient. Okay, this links this choice to the question. On delete, models is equal to cascade. I don't know what that means. Is represented by a class that subclasses this model. Each model has a number of class variables, each of which represents a database field in the model. Each field is represented by an instance of field class. Character field, date time field. You can use an optional first positional argument to a field to designate a human variable name, like this one. Yeah. Validation. Okay, let's first create this choice model. Models dot foreign IIGM. Where is the auto completion? Where is the freaking auto completion? Yeah, it's because models was incorrect. Question foreign key is question. Oh wait, I think I imported this by mistake. Let me get rid of it. Okay, on delete. Okay, what is it? On delete. Cascade. I don't know what that one does. So if we delete this choice model, the question model is deleted, it should cascade. So it should, I mean, let's figure it out what it is. When the reference object is deleted, also delete the objects that have reference to it. Oh, okay. So in this case, it will delete the choice if we delete the question. Makes sense. Makes sense. No, I didn't. Yeah, I ate. I ate it yesterday when I sent you. But there's still one more remaining. Still one more remaining. Choice text equal to models dot character fill. Okay, so the choice text character fill, and we need to provide max length, right? Max length is 200 votes models dot integer fill. Default will be 0. That's it for the model. Finally, note a relationship is defined using foreign key. This tells Django a choice is related to a single question. Django supports all the common database relationships, many to one, many to many, many one to one. Okay. Activating models. Okay, we need to activate it now. Right now? Maybe later. Maybe later. Not now. I need to drink tea now. It's time for tea. First, we need to dialog project that pulls app is installed. I'm sorry, man. Okay, where does this one comes from? Pools apps, pools config. Oh, it is in apps.py. Okay, yeah. So I need to open up now settings.py and in add the config. Django dot, no, not Django, polls dot apps dot polls config. Fine. Okay, I need to migrate the database now, right? Yeah, make migration. So what command did I use earlier to make migrations? I just used manage.py and migrate. And now I need to call manage.py make migration. Okay. What's the difference? You would like the changes to be stored as migration. What the hell is this? Okay, let's run this command now. Python. Okay, it created the models, question and choice. Now you should see something similar, okay, in the migrations. No, I don't see anything. I need to reload it. Okay, I see it now. Oh, it created this class. Initial true dependencies, operations. Good. Okay. Let's run this. Python manage.py SQL migrate pool 0001. What does it do? Okay. There's a command that will run the migration for you and manage your database automatically. The command. SQL migrate takes migration names and returns the SQL. So this is the actual SQL command that will be fired using the migration, right? All right. Note the following: the exit output will vary depending on the database you are using. Okay, this is generated by PostgreSQL. It is similar to this one, isn't it? It's almost similar. See? Is it really PostgreSQL? Because We are using SQLite, and both commands look almost similar. Wait, no, they are not. Create model. Where is this one? Alter table, false choice. Okay. Table names are automatically generated by combining the name of the app, polls, and the lowercase name of the model. IDs. Django appends this to the foreign key field name. Where is the foreign key? I don't know. As you can see, I don't know SQL. I don't know SQL. I need to learn SQL. Not exactly SQL, but I mean, I need to learn PostgreSQL. That's what I'll be using for my project. It's alright, we'll learn it while building it. We don't need to do any course for that. And I think this is the foreign key, right? I don't know. It's tailored to the database that you are using. So database specific field types such as auto increment, serial, or integer primary key auto increment. Integer primary key auto increment. Okay, let's run this command as well. Python manage check, no issues. All right, and now it's time to migrate. To make migration, just created this migration, and we still need to run migrate. Okay, it created the migration for polls. Good enough. Migrations are very powerful and lets you change your models over time as you develop your project without the need to delete your database or tables and make new ones. Oh, this is awesome. So if I want to change the model, it will create a new migration and a new database. This is correct. I don't know. What about the data? We'll cover them later. Okay. Change your models, run migration, and migrate. Playing with the API. Now let's hop. So What? I have started to like Django. Hey, hola man. Hola. Look what I'm doing today. Look what I'm doing. I'm learning Django. I'm done with the Nandu Tetris course. I completed the whole course. So now it's time to start new projects. Free API Django gives you, hop into the API. Okay, let's do that. Yay, it is magnificent. I'm starting to like Django. It's good. It seems good. Okay, from model port choice and question. Yeah, I know. The e-commerce one, right? The e-commerce project. I know you know Django. And I'll be probably starting with my project from tomorrow. So I'm just playing around with Django today. Poles.model import. Yeah, right. Because in poles.model we don't have that many models, so right, would have been nice. But I'm just following what they are telling me to do. But thanks for the heads up. Question dot checks. Did you go through this tutorial as well? Yeah, there are no questions. What do you mean 4,000 times? I mean, you just referred to it, right? You didn't go through it. You just started working on your project directly, I guess. Yeah. Did you start working on your project directly? I mean, I was just feeling not that much motivated to start with my project. So I was like, let's just see what's the deal with Django. But what about you? How did you start the project in Django? Did you watch any other video? I went some of it. You mean you went through this tutorial? Some of this tutorial? I don't know how much long this tutorial is. Oh, nice. I'm not planning on going through whole tutorial myself as well. I don't know. Oh, it seems it is a long tutorial. Let's check table of contents. Database for part 2, part 3, templating, minimal form, automated testing, customize your app look, customize that form. Yes, it is just 7-part tutorial. I don't know. Django with another tutorial. Was it a good one? If it was a good one, just send me the link. You know what? That's what I should do. I mean, instead of going through this, I should just 2x through a crash course or something, and then just start working on my project. Yeah, exactly. That's what I should do as well. I'm not planning to go through the whole tutorial. That's what I'm going to do. Just watch a short crash course on Django in 2x speed. And just because I have one project in my mind that I will be building. Crash course is bad. Then what? Then what do you suggest? Which tutorial should I look? Do you have any in mind? Good the right way? You mean by doing this? Yeah, it's good. It's not bad. Yeah, I'm understanding the basics. I think I get it now how it works. Yeah, I know. I'm getting the gist of it. And because it is very opinionated, there are many conventions, so I think it will take a lot of time. There are a lot of things to learn about Django, it seems, because it is very much opinionated. Yeah, but see, what I'm looking for is just how it works, like a big picture view. That's not good for making. Yeah, I mean, I'll be figuring out everything while I'm building, so that's not an issue if it doesn't cover each and every detail. I just want a bird's eye view, eagle's eye view of this whole framework, because I have some experience working with API, so I just need to know what's the deal with Django. We'll see what to do. After I'm done with this stream, I think I'm gonna watch a crash course and see what happens. I'm just going to 2x through it, CS Harvard, but oh, CS50, it is part of CS50. They teach you Django as well. Nice. So come on, just oh, nice. Where is table of contents? Okay, it's here. Django. Is there like a YouTube tutorial? CS50 YT playlist. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for as well, just know what it is all about, and from then from that foundation I can just Google stuff. There's YouTube on the website. Oh yeah. Yeah, I saw. Mm, Lava Papida. The replay. But still, it is this one, right? Um, Flask. It seems that they are teaching Flask. They are not teaching Django, it seems. This one might be older or newer. YouTube, yeah, it's here. Yeah, I know, but I don't really like watching this courses on their own websites, it is kind of very much congested. I like learning through YouTube's UI, so that's why I was looking for this video. Django. Django routes, templates, task form, session. Great, then I'm going to 2x through it. I'm going to 2x through it and see what happens. Django SQL model. Why are you learning Django? To get a job. To get a job, man. But yeah, I want to build a project. So you saw my website, right? This one, Remote Learners. I still want to learn low level programming, but I want to learn backend development as well. So that's why I'm learning Django. So I want to recreate this website in Django, but not exactly what I had. I want to create, so it was connected with Slack, but now I want to create a website which is connected with Twitch chat, so that I can create a bot in Twitch and which can log the tasks to the website. Yeah, because it is hosted on a free platform, Heroku. That's why. And it's not a very optimized website. That's the reason. And it probably go, so the deal with Heroku is that when the web app is not in use, it will go to sleep. So that's why it takes time to get it to running again. I mean, earlier I had one script which was pinging the site again and again so that it doesn't go to sleep, but the plugin doesn't work anymore. What you will do, can you explain? Yeah, so as the web is designed right now, what it does is it is connected to a Slack channel, and from the Slack channel I created a bot, and using that bot I can create tasks like I don't know if you can see it. Let me make it bigger. So see, I created this bot, remote learners. We can create the tasks from this bot and it will log the tasks on this website. So it is kind of like a learning environment, so where everybody can create a learning task. Let's say I want to learn Django, so I will create a task, say learning Django today, and it might be in a state of completion or incompletion, and I can again take it as completed or something. And if we create this task every day, we get a streak, like you get a streak in Snapchat. You can get a streak here as well. That was the idea behind this web app. Like this, see, top learner. So if you create a task for 101 days and you completed those tasks, then you get a streak. And now I want to recreate this for Twitch, so that Twitch community can create the task from the Twitch chat as well. So that is the plan. That's why I'm learning Django. Did you get it? Kind of. Okay, what you didn't get? And also let me bookmark this. I will go through it today. Are Django jobs popular in your area? I don't know. I mean, I checked for jobs, but they are not as much popular as Node.js jobs. So there are many Node.js jobs, but I mean, there are. So I looked on LinkedIn, there are like, I don't know, 3,000 postings for Django, but like 70,000 postings for, no, not 70,000, 30,000 posting for Node.js developers. So Node.js is definitely popular in India. I already know some of Node.js, so I don't know, man. It's now you are confusing me because I've been thinking about this thing. Because I have been using Python, but I don't know. I don't know. And I kind of don't want to get back into JavaScript development. That's the reason. Yeah, I can create it easily. Stream is laggy? I don't know. Yeah, the internet is a bit laggy today. And yeah, I can create the project with Node.js easily. But that means I will have to get back into JavaScript development. I don't know, man. And the another reason is because I already have some good projects in Python on my GitHub, so that's another reason. I have this compiler, Jack compiler and assembler written in Python, so that's why I'm sticking with Python. And I think this is it for today's stream. I'm going to watch some more videos now and maybe continue with the tutorial later on. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next stream. And I don't know. I mean, alright. Bye bye then.